in a small village, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a humble farmer named Elias. Elias was known far and wide for his vibrant cornfields and lush vegetable garden. Every summer, his fields would come alive with the golden hues of ripening corn and the fresh green of zucchini plants. One particular hot summer, the village faced an unusual drought. The river ran low, and the once green fields turned brown and brittle. Despite the harsh conditions, Elias's corn and zucchini continued to thrive, their colors even more brilliant against the dry landscape. Curious villagers asked Elias for his secret, but he simply smiled and pointed to the old oak tree at the edge of his field. This tree had always been a symbol of resilience, its deep roots drawing water from underground sources, helping it withstand the harshest conditions. One evening, as the sun set in a blaze of orange and red, a stranger appeared at Elias's door. The stranger was a weary traveler, drawn to the village by the rumors of Elias's thriving farm. He carried a small pouch filled with rare seeds and offered to trade them for a meal and a night's rest. Elias welcomed the traveler warmly, sharing a hearty chowder made from his corn and zucchini. As they ate, the traveler shared stories of distant lands and innovative farming techniques. In return, Elias shared his own methods of caring for his crops and the importance of the sturdy oak tree. Grateful for the hospitality, the traveler left the next morning, leaving behind a few of his rare seeds as a token of appreciation. Elias planted these seeds next to the old oak tree, and to his amazement, they grew into the most extraordinary plants, producing vegetables that were even more vibrant and delicious. From that day on, the village thrived, even in the harshest conditions. Elias's fields became a symbol of hope and resilience, and the story of the old oak tree and the rare seeds was passed down through generations. Every summer, villagers would gather to celebrate the harvest, always including a special chowder made from corn and zucchini, a reminder of the knowledge and hard work that sustained them.